Hey, good morning. How are you? This Ryefeild model Panzer III is bloody amazing. So I'm just getting the details all done, a bit of chipping and all that kind of stuff. So just have a quick look at how it's all progressing. I've still got to paint a lot of these details here, but I'm just starting from the bottom. So getting the sort of bottom ones done, building up from there. It's not that easy to paint. Starting to put a bit of chipping on the actual 44-gallon drum, and you see the actual writing is starting to really start to pop out now. So I'm basing the tools. So I've based the actual metal parts of the tools in the chipping formula, and then I'll come along and put the actual metal over the top. The tracks have got the same thing, so they're with a chipping formula, and I'll dry brush on some gunmetal. You see I'm adding a lot of depth here to the turret with oils. Same with the whole body. You can see I haven't done the actual cupola, or that rear storage box, and you can sort of see the difference. There's a lot more tonal variance on the actual body here. But it's one of the finest models I've ever built. I'm really happy with it, and I will be getting more Ryefeild model kits. As I said, I enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed any dragging kit or mini art kit that I've built. And yeah, it's actually probably a little bit better than some of the stuff I've built. I really like the workability of it, and I like how it's come out. It's really come out well, correct. It's got very good profile. You see, this is the one by Academy. The tracks in the Academy one weren't that great. There is a lot of good things about the Academy one, and this does have fantastic photo etch and all that kind of stuff, but this one was just better. It was just a lot better, and as far as I can tell, they're both going for about the same price. But the Academy one has the shorter barrel. I suppose you got a bit more options with this one. So with this one you can build the shorter barrel one. This one only has the L60, so strange. But yeah, just give you a good look at it, because it's a great one. It really is. It's if you do spend some money on a model kit, this is something you really want to look into. Now, I want to do the full interior one now, of this one. You know what I mean? Like, it would look cool if it had all that full interior in there. Not that we need it, because it's only going to be displayed like that, with this open. But yeah, I would like to do the full interior version of it now. And I'll keep showing you as I paint it away how it comes along and how I go about doing it. So, I get it top coated, and then I do some filters, and now I'm doing some washes and chipping, you know what I mean? Starting to get the details painted. Slowly. Alright guys, I'll see you again soon.